Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Supabase for auth and database in no-code detailed guide step by step clearly. Once on the home page, locate the Start Your Project button and click on it. You will be prompted to create an account if you don't already have one. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. After filling in the required information, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email for a verification link from Supabase and click on it to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Supabase homepage and log in using your credentials. Upon logging in, you will be directed to the Supabase dashboard. Click on the New Project button to start creating your first project. Provide a name for your project, ensuring it reflects its purpose. Select the appropriate database region for your project from the drop-down menu. Next, choose a strong password for your database, as this will secure your data. After filling in these details, click on the Create Project button. Supabase will begin provisioning your project, which may take a few moments. Once the project is created, you will be taken to the Project Overview page. From here, you can access various features, including authentication and database settings. To configure authentication, navigate to the Authentication tab. In the authentication settings, you can enable different sign-in methods, such as email, magic links, and social providers. Customize your authentication flow according to the needs of your application. Now, let's set up your database. Click on the Database tab in the sidebar. Here, you can create new tables and define your data structures. Use the user-friendly interface to add columns and specify data types for your tables. Once your tables are set up, you can start adding, retrieving, and managing data seamlessly. Make sure to save your changes throughout the process. After finalizing your database structure, explore other features Supabase offers, such as real-time capabilities and APIs. You are now ready to use Supabase for authentication and database management in a no-code environment. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and its functionalities for the best experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.